Hi friends, welcome to the world of Materia Medica. Today I would like to give the information about the medicine Lachesis. Lachesis is a homeopathy medication derived from the venom of the South American snake. Its venom is seriously poisonous, which has the capability of impairing the red blood cells and hinder blood clotting. Like sepia, Lachesis is also known as a woman's remedy. The woman remedy doesn't mean that it will not work in men's or in children. If you can able to find the Lachesis, it means Lachesis patient, you can cure her or his mental diseases and physical diseases. Before or during the physical observation in case taking or when you hear the name Lachesis, you must remember 5 key points. Jealousy, dark blue, dark purple color, high temperature, left to right, sensitive to touch. We will see all in details of each key point later in the video. Now let's see how you can analyze in case taking to find the Lachesis patient. First, appearance. Yes, the very first thing is appearance. Does the patient looks like this woman? Thin, dark eyes, freckles, means a small patches on the skin and red hair. Lachesis adapted to a thin and weak person, especially because of sickness or lack of food. All its mental and physical complaints after her illness. After the appearance, you can ask the female patient about her periods because, like in Lachesis, very few medicines in homeopathy has regular menses, start and end at an accurate time. And try to find does she feels relaxed and remove all pains by the menses flow and always feel better during menses. If yes, you can check her other mental and physical symptoms to finalize and prescribe Lachesis medicine. Now let's see how above 5 main key points help you to find real Lachesis patient. Mostly you find all 5 symptoms in Ophidia group medicines, means all snake remedies like Naja, Vipera, Bangarus. I will give you more details of each Ophidia group medicines in other videos. These all 5 symptoms you can compare with snake properties as this remedy is from snake poison. The first one, jealousy. The jealous resulting the revenge, quick to anger, possessive, competitive, suspicion, means a feeling or thought that something is possible, likely or true. Like snake, the patient capable to sense the attack. Because of this feature, she or he always tries to sense or feel what they are talking or thinking bad about me and then produce the mental disturbances. The second one, dark blue or purple color, the same color like in this photo. Stool, urine, toothache and skin. Yes, it will work in skin diseases. The skin diseases with the color blue or purple as shown in this picture. If you see the snake bite, you find the same impression. These skin problems all forms in hair follicles and oil glands like ulcer, boil, many other skin diseases. You can see in the picture. One important symptom in skin, the small wound bleed easily and profusely. The same symptom you can compare with phosphorus. The third one, high temperature, discomfort with heat. Also you can compare with the snake. As the snakes are coming out in summer, the leukemia patient feels discomfort in heat and try to come out in open air. All problems are aggravated by heat, like headache with hot vertex. The same type of headache you can find in sulfur. And this patient doesn't like the tight clothes or ornaments, especially at the neck part. The fourth one, left to right. Opposite to one famous remedy, Lycopodium. Lycopodium works right to left, whereas Lachesis works left to right, means any complaints like an example paralysis, diphtheria or tonsils start from left and ends at right. Yes, this medicine works very well in diphtheria and tonsils, which aggravates more with hot drinks and after sleep. In this diphtheria and tonsils, like in Ignatia amara, liquids are more painful than solid when swollen. Fifth one, sensitive to touch. Sensitive to touch affected part, especially throat, stomach, abdomen and in varicose vein. General leukemia symptoms or problems, or you can say leukemia clinical usage. Menopause, complaints like hemorrhoids, hemorrhages. Yes, like sepia, leukemia works very well in menopause issues, but the difference is the leukemia menopause women feel uncomfortable heat and sweating at the upper part of the body, face to chest. The sensation of a ball rolling in the bladder. Fever. Yes, the annual returns fever and typhoid type fever. Blockages, clots in fallopian tubes. Yes, this medicine is very much is useful to remove the blockages in the fallopian tubes. It helps to conceive the baby. All complaints aggravate during sleep, especially epilepsy, mostly because of vital fluid. Relations, complementary, heparsulf, lycopodium, nitric acid. Now let's see the doses. Generally, the doses are case to case, but mostly the potency 200 is famous to cure all type of mental diseases and as well as the physical diseases. So I recommend you to take Lecasis 200 only one dose in a week. Don't repeat the dose within a week. You can take every Sunday or Friday 2 drops directly on the tongue. And if you want to know more about the doses, the medicine, sign and symptoms, you can make a comment in the comment box. I will try to reply. If you like this video, share, subscribe, comment and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.